In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your GitHub repository to Netlify, so you can get your website up and running in just a few minutes. To start the process, make sure you are logged into your Netlify dashboard. Once you are there, look for the button labeled Add New Site and click it. A drop-down menu will appear where you should select the option to import an existing project. This tells Netlify that you already have your code hosted somewhere else. On the next screen, you will see a list of different Git providers. Since we are using GitHub, go ahead and click on the GitHub button. At this point, a pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize the Netlify GitHub app. This is a secure connection that allows the two platforms to communicate. You have two choices here. You can either grant Netlify access to every single repository in your account, or you can choose to only give it access to specific ones. After you make your choice and authorize the app, you will see a list of your repositories. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific project you want to deploy and click on its name. This will bring you to the Build Settings page. For many common frameworks, Netlify will automatically detect the correct build commands and output directories for you. Double-check these settings to ensure everything looks correct for your specific codebase. If you are satisfied with the configuration, simply click the Deploy Site button at the bottom of the page. Netlify will now start building your site and will provide you with a live link once the process is complete. That is all it takes to link your accounts. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding.